We need 200 gram cake flour, 250 gram brown sugar, 4 eggs, 250 gram butter, 50 gram cocoa powder, 3 tablespoon milk powder, 2 tablespoon vanilla essence, 2 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda. At first, I am going to shift the cake flour with cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon baking powder, let's shift it well. It's better to shift 2 or 3 times for get a super soft cake. Now the cake flour is ready. Let's keep in a side. Take the egg, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence and let's whisk it. I'm not using hand mixture today. Take a dry ball, transfer the butter into this. I have kept the butter in room temperature and let's start melting this. Nicely beat this until the butter get melt. And then I'm going to add brown sugar. And in the meantime, I'm going to make the buttermilk. So this I have used 3 tablespoons of milk powder with 3 tablespoons water and dissolve it well and add half a teaspoon baking soda and mix it well. Keep in a side. Now you can see the butter got melt with the sugar and I'm going to add a beaten egg. Let's beat this until it gets smooth batter. You can see the batter got smooth. Now I'm going to add cake flour. Fold it. When the batter got thickened, you can add the buttermilk to this and again fold it with the remaining cake flour. Now you can see a smooth cake batter formed. Take your baking tray, apply some batter, and I have placed a parchment paper on it, and let's transfer the cake batter to the tray. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the air bubbles from the batter, and I'm going to bake it through 160 Celsius for 45 minutes. Now the super soft chocolate cake is ready.